MAHLE with MAHLE chargeBIG here in Munich at Power2Drive. And as you know, MAHLE chargeBIG is the champion on distributed charging. Why? Because we have one cabinet that really enables up to 40 charging points in a given environment, up to 70 meters distance. And in the end, it's moving from wall box to small box. So really the smallest perceivable installation at each given parking spot. So either up to 40 charging points, or if you move to chargeBIG 6 for smaller apartment blocks, smaller garages, automotive dealerships, the ability to connect up to 6 charging points with one solution from MAHLE, and still the same sleek installation that really goes into the car. Also, new CB, chargeBIG terminal, that for any application that does not want to use the MAHLE chargeBIG app, we can also have a terminal-based solution where you can actually charge and pay with a very, very simple two-step solution. Just choose your charging point and then enter your data with either a card or a chip or a credit card, and here we go, and your vehicle is being charged. MAHLE chargeBIG at Power2Drive.